Hey everyone, welcome to Windows Fixer. So here's the deal. When you're installing Windows 11, it usually asks you to connect to the internet and sign in with a Microsoft account. Now for most people, that's okay, but not everyone wants to use it, especially if you're setting up a PC just for gaming or offline use. And in some cases, you might not even have internet access during setup. Whatever your situation is, here's the simplest way to skip it. First, when you're on that screen asking for a Microsoft account, press Shift plus F10. If you're on a laptop or using a compact keyboard, press Shift plus Fn plus F10 instead. This will open up a command prompt. Now, if you already have internet connected, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. That's going to open your network settings. Just right-click on your active network adapter and choose Disable. Once it's disabled, close that window. Now go back to the command prompt and type this. OOBE \bypass NRO. Make sure you type it exactly like that. Then hit Enter. Your system will restart automatically, and when it comes back, you'll notice something new. There won't be any Microsoft account requirement. You'll now see an option like I don't have internet or continue with limited setup. Just click that and boom, you can now set up Windows with a local account, super easy. And that's it, guys. Quick and simple. After the setup is done and you're on the desktop, it's a good idea to re-enable your internet. Just press Windows plus R, then type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. That'll open the network settings again. Now right-click on your adapter and choose Enable to get your internet back up and running. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Windows Fixer, and I'll see you in the next one.